Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to clean this room. See the carpet? It's very dirty. There's like a stain. I don't know what's this, but today I'm going to clean this using my rainbow vacuum cleaner. Uh, this is not a sponsored video by Rainbow. This is the rainbow that we bought like 9 years ago, and this is the time that I can test this Aquamate to clean the carpet. But unfortunately, I already used or consumed all the cleaning soap for this Aquamate carpet cleaner, so I'm just using a dishwashing liquid as a replacement. But I'll show you the aftermath of the cleaning. See that one? It's dirty. I'll show you the after using this. Turn on. Let's use that one. This is a powerful vacuum. It's turning now. A while ago, that portion is similar to that, and look at it, it's very clean. I'll show the video after I clean the whole area. This is the rainbow filter, and it's using a water as a filter, so all the sucked dirt will go directly to the water. So there's no filter like cloth filter now, only water. This is a very powerful and very nice machine. This dirt is like 9 years old dirt. Haven't cleaned for a long time. Need to go back and forth. Make sure that it's clean. It's all full. See the container. So I'm going to remove. Just press and pull. Unlatch this one. Same on the other side. And press this to release. Press to pull. Then you can remove the whole body. And then that's what's left. You need to drain this one and replace with the new water. Half of it, half only. Look at the after. It's clean now. Before it was like that. Now I'm going to do this portion now. But look at that. It's really clean over there. Before it was like that, so dirty, something like an oil stain. But it's been there like 9 years ago, and this is since 9 years. This is the first time that I cleaned this room, because previously my aunt was staying here and she just recently moved to a different house, so now I'm trying to clean this room. And yeah, look at that. This is the rainbow. We bought this rainbow like 10 years ago. This is very expensive one. This is an old model, but it's very well built. I think built made in the US. Even this cord, there's a cord, but no problem. It's very well built like a tank. And this is the carpet cleaner, and for the all-around cleaner is that one. This is for the carpet. I'm just using dishwashing liquid because I already have no more carpet cleaner soap, so I'm just using dishwashing liquid. Look at that, from like this into that, so clean. And it's still wet. Probably let's wait for one day and we'll see. I'll show you the result after a day, after 1 day or two, when it's all dry, so that we can see the difference before and after. Hi guys, I'll show you how I've done the cleaning in here in the Aquamate. This is the Aquamate. If you point it to the first one, it's the soap and scrub. So I'm already done with the soap and scrubbing. So right now I'm going to do the second one, which is the water rinse. So I point that one. I'll just point the arrow there by pressing, then do the rinse. It's rinsing now. Rinsing the soap. This is the last portion of the room that I'm cleaning right now. Then after this, I'm going to do the vacuum to suck all the water. Then wait for a day or two to make the carpet dry, and it should be good. So right now, I'm going to point to the dryer, which is vacuum, to suck all the water. All done. See that? It's all clean. Look at that. All clean. This is the machine that I'm using. It's a rainbow. I don't know what model, but we bought this one around 2014. We bought this rainbow vacuum. I don't know what model, but we bought this one 2014, and I reckon there's a new model right now which is more better than this, more friendlier. I suggest, I can recommend this if you have a bigger house with heaps of carpet, because this house, when we built this, all the rooms have carpets. So that's why when somebody try to demo this to us, like around 2014, and we just built the house, and that's the reason why we bought this. And since I've been using this to clean not only the carpets, but this is a very good cleaner, better than any other, you know, wireless cleaning. This one, if you want thorough cleaning, this machine I can recommend for home use. This is the carpet cleaner, and this is the normal cleaner. It's really dirty, not clean, but this is a very good. I can highly recommend this machine. Rainbow, quite expensive, but worth the money. All good. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, this is the after cleaning. It's all clean. It's all clean now. There are parts a little bit wet, but almost clean. See the one, like there's like it's a little bit wet, but it's almost dry.